Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by naming the real objects you must model: customers, products, orders. Write them down. Once done, capture each entity's essential attributes and the primary key you will use. This prevents later ambiguity. Decide whether you need normalization for transactional consistency or denormalization for reporting. Make sure to note cardinality expectations now, one-to-many, many-to-many, so you can choose join tables. This early precision speeds the rest of the diagram and avoids rework. You now draw relationships. Connect entities with labeled lines showing cardinality and direction. For many-to-many, add a junction table with composite keys and any attributes that belong to the relationship. Once relationships are placed, enforce referential integrity by marking foreign keys and cascade rules. This clarifies update/delete behavior. Validate normalization rules so attributes live in the right table, if performance demands it. Plan selective denormalization and document why. You finish by refining constraints, adding indexes, and annotating unusual behaviors. Once complete, validate the model with sample data and representative queries to catch missing keys or slow joins. Make sure to get stakeholder sign-off and then export the diagram as SQL DDL or a visual file for implementers. If things go wrong, run focused sample queries and inspect execution plans to locate missing indexes or incorrect cardinality. Fixing those usually resolves the majority of issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.